Okay. Today, sorry, he's just shy. He doesn't want to get shown. If you don't speak in English, let me talk in Filipino. Yeah. This is a video that I have no idea what to do. And at mahiyain si Beshi. At tingnan mo, ayaw niya mapakita yung mukha niya. Kaso nakita pa rin. Ito yung nagawan. So, ito na lang. Ipapakita ko yung nagawa namin dito. Wait. Which is called the which is called the double gunner. Like this. Kapag round out yung ganito, ito naman. I do not know. Gawa lang namin sa Lego ito. Ako yung naka-idea ng pangalan. And most of the progress was made by Beshi, who is literally shy.
I'm shy.
Okay, we're you know what? We're just not gonna show him for now. Beshi. Wake up. Okay, I don't know what to do else. Peace out.